Alright, so this is the magnetic valve, I think you call it, but it controls the boost pressure, and it has a couple of hoses to it, and I bought some DO88 fortified hose, I guess. I'm just gonna change these out because they look a little bit crusty. Right, so I did finally get the radiator home, and so it's here and it actually fits, like it's the actual radiator I need. So very happy, very excited to install this. Also got the boost controller. I installed new vacuum hoses and I put some colored tape on them, just like the OEM ones. And of course everything else, we got the charge pipe, different exhaust, end tip, oil cap. I've titanium coated all of this. The new turbo with the exhaust manifold, really excited for this. We'll see if we make the proper power that we should. And of course the intercooler. So yeah, now we should have everything we need to get the Volvo into a Nürburgring, proper Nürburgring state. Alright, so this is how the intercooler looks. It looks a little bit weird, I think. But I had to use this hose in order to connect the pressure sensor. And then of course we have a 3/8 NPT plug. I'm waiting on the gauge, or I haven't ordered it yet. I'll see when I do. I think this is the temperature. And then this is, I have no clue, but it was supposed to be this hose here. So okay, so I'm about to install the intercooler and the radiator and the fan, of course. I also removed the dipstick just to get a little bit more space. So we'll see how easy it is to put the entire intercooler into the car. Okay, so I managed to get it on, although it is, as you can see, like it's pulling constantly. It's not even down all the way because I don't want to bust it. Really shitty fucking quality. Whatever. It's on, I guess, but yeah, this needs to be fixed in the future. Because it's just rubbing, and it's like there should be a little bit of flakes, but nah, that is stuck on there. So yeah, we'll see how we do in the future, but yeah. I did some off-camera assembling, so everything is pretty much done. All the intercooler piping and the radiator piping is done, so it's all connected. There was no weird issues or anything. I ended up removing this so that the intercooler can move a little bit more freely, because otherwise they can crack, from what I know. And so yeah, I'm just gonna finish up a little bit. There's not a whole lot more to do. Alright, so I just installed the HKS Super Power Flow, and I mean, it looks good. It looks real good. I do have a cutoff to make sure this is actually a cold air intake and not just pushing warm air into the engine. But it didn't fit right now. I need to get a hose in between here, and then it's gonna fit. But yeah,